Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new AquaFlask water bottle. This actually is my wife's water bottle. Just to give you a backstory why we got this water bottle is because our workstation and the water station actually is quite far. So she's looking for a water bottle that you can contain more water and to at least keep the temperature inside for longer periods of time. Hence, we found after searching AquaFlask. Now, this is not a sponsored video. We just bought this with our own money. So, just a little bit of disclaimer. Now, we got this from Shopee sale, 99. For the original price of this one is actually 850 pesos. But because of all the discounts and promos from the credit cards and whatnot, we were able to drop the price to 540 pesos. Now, the sizes of this AquaFlask comes in 6 variants. Okay, so we have 14 ounces, 18 ounce, 22, 32, 40, and up to the biggest size, 64. Now, this one in my video is actually a 40 ounce container. Okay, it also came with different colors. So my wife thought of 2 colors to choose from, the raspberry and the plumpy peach. Now, obviously, after quite some time of thinking, she decided to get the plumpy peach. Okay, so just a quick view of the box from side to side. Now, according to AquaFlask, this was designed in California. So, but surely it is made in China. Okay, so it came with a very nice box and plastic. It was well wrapped in bubble wrap, of course, while in transit. Okay, so the main features of this AquaFlask water bottle is that it has double layers. Okay, so normally when you have an ordinary water bottle, so when you pour in cold water, you will feel that there's moisture outside. Now, because of the double layer feature, this will not condensate outside. And at the same time, the double layer feature would prevent or at least help keep the water cool or hot for longer periods of time. According to the claims of the AquaFlask, cold water can last up to 24 hours and warm or hot water can last for 12 hours. Now we're gonna do some testing on that later in the video. Okay, and initial impressions, I like the feel of the texture. It's matte, and I'll tap on it, and it's made out of stainless steel from outside and inside. According to AquaFlask, it's an 18 by 8 stainless steel. Okay, so and it is BPA free, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Okay, so furthermore, the cap is actually also good design in first impressions. So this is the big cap and this is the drinking cap. And a good thing about this one is the drinking cap. This one is attached here so that you will not lose it after, or you will not misplace it. And comes with a handle. Okay. So furthermore, it has some rubber texture here. So for the grip. Okay, this is actually made of rubber. This one is plastic, this one is rubber. So you can actually create, you can see that I can remove the rubber to clean the AquaFlask. Okay, so what is inside? Here is the sneak peek. So as you can see, it's made out of stainless steel. Okay, so it looks very good. Okay, and it weighs maybe, without the water inside, considerably, it's heavier than the normal water bottle, the plastic water bottle. Okay. Now, for better appreciation of the size comparison between the AquaFlask and other water bottles, here we have other kinds of containers. So this is the lock and lock. This is 1.5 liters. Now you might be wondering, 40 ounce is equivalent to 1.2 liters. So this is just a few 300 milliliters fewer than this one. Okay, and of course this one is what my wife is using in the office. This is about 500 ml or this is about 750 ml. So compared to this one, this is more container. And of course, I'm also using this one, Contigo. This is actually also a double layered water bottle, but the problem with this one is smaller. Okay, so again, you have to come back and forth to the water station. And apart from this one, my wife also bought accessories for her new water bottle. So she had this called boot sleeves that you put on the end of the water bottle. So this one costs 64 pesos. Okay, but the original price is 150 pesos. So she got this from another supplier. So yeah, so they put it here to protect the bottom from scratches, and of course the from skidding. Okay, from skidding. Okay, so I'll put the links also of these below if you're interested to buy this boot sleeve. Okay, so here are the pros and cons of the AquaFlask. Okay, number one, after some testing, okay, as you can see here, we did some testing for the cold and the hot water. So after 24 hours, the water inside, okay, we filled this with cold water and ice, plenty of ice. So after 24 hours, it is still cold. Now for hot water, so we fill this with hot water, but after 12 hours, the water is not that hot anymore, but still a little bit warm. Okay, so maybe if you're not gonna take too much time to drink the hot water, maybe in 10 hours it will still be very hot. Okay, and the other pros of this one is, yeah, there's plenty of colors available, cool colors. Okay, and this is very affordable. Okay, compared to Hydro Flask or other canteens that you'll see, this is much cheaper. Okay, so what about the cons? Okay, what about the cons? Okay, number one, when we first opened the water bottle, there's like a stainless steel smell. Maybe it's because we haven't washed it for the first time. So yeah, so there's a little bit of smell. And the handle, this one, is of course made out of plastic. Okay, so I am afraid eventually, after quite some time, if you keep holding it like this and you have a heavy water bottle, it might break. Okay, so just be careful with that. And when we fill this up with cold water, we noticed that yes, the body of the water bottle did not have any moisture, but here on the cap there are some moisture in it. Okay, so yeah, those are the basic cons that we observe upon testing this AquaFlask water bottle. So will I recommend this water bottle? Of course, this is a very affordable and good quality water bottle. So I'll put also the links of this one, both Lazada and Shopee. And if you want to support the channel, please use those links. And with that, we thank you very much for watching my videos. And I hope you enjoyed and learned something. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye.